Hello students, this is Yogita Parmar. Today I am going to cover first chapter of biology, that is nutrition in plants. Topics to be covered: nutrition in plants, modes of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis in plants, heterotrophic nutrition, saprotrophic nutrition, symbiosis, replenishment of nutrients in soil. Okay, before going through this chapter, we will have a small flashback that what is exactly nutrition is. Nutrition. It is an important metabolic process of all living beings. Now, what is this metabolic process? Acha, before going through that, just tell me what is the difference between the living beings and non-living beings? Generally the student answer me that ma'am, living beings are those which can move, whereas non-living beings are those which cannot move. But that is not the exact difference between the living and non-living. Suppose there is a table and there is an elephant. Okay, so what is the difference between them? Okay, what we see that in elephant, the elephant is breathing, the elephant is eating, taking food, and excretion is going on, and digestion is going on. So many processes going on in elephant. Whereas in table, no such process we see. Okay, so all these processes which are very important for the life, okay, are known as metabolic process that helps us to sustain life. Now, what are metabolic process? Nutrition, respiration, excretion, photosynthesis in plants. All these processes are the metabolic process, or we can say the life process, which are very important to sustain life. Okay, now we come to the definition of the nutrition is the process of intake of food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. The process of intake of food. What do you mean by the process of intake of food? Different organisms have different method in which they intake food. For example, I can tell you this is amoeba. Okay, the amoeba has these outgrowths. You can see now, this outgrowth is known as pseudopodia. It is known as what? Pseudopodia. So this pseudopodia are the false feet. Pseudopodia. These pseudopodia are the false feet. इस pseudopodia के through what they do? They capture food. So the amoeba used to intake food with the help of this pseudopodia. And how the human beings intake food? Through mouth. Okay, so different organisms have different method in which they intake their food. So what the definition is? The process of intake of food by an organism and its utilization by the body. And its utilization means when the food is digested and converted into energy form, this energy is used by the organism in different things, like for reading, writing, for running, for exercise. Okay, so many things we do. So in everything, what is required? Energy is required. So what actually the definition is? That its utilization, the intake of food's utilization by the body is called nutrition. Got it? Means the process of intake of the food, and after intaking, when the food is converted into the energy form, its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Okay. Now we will come to the types of nutrition. Types of nutrition. On the basis of mode of taking food, how they take the food, organism, how they take their food, on the basis of that, the nutrition can be differentiated into two types, the autotrophic and the heterotrophic. Now, autotrophic. What are autotrophic? Auto means what? What do you mean by the term auto? Auto means self. We have heard about now that the vehicle is automatic, the washing machine is automatic. Auto means self, the thing that is self-regulating. So here auto means self, and trophic means what? Trophism means feeding, means self-feeding organism. Okay, and the nutrition, which is this type of nutrition, is known as autotrophic nutrition, and the organism known as autotrophs. ठीक है? Means what? The naturally we all know that the organism which make their own food, that is the green plants. Do you know that some bacteria are also there? There are some bacteria which are also autotrophs. They are known as photosynthetic bacteria. Okay, green plants, autotroph. Okay, and heterotrophic nutrition means, hetero means different, means the organism which have different modes of feeding, that is known as heterotrophic nutrition, and the organisms are known as heterotrophs. Like human beings. Okay, so first we will go through this autotroph in detail, means green plants. Okay, now autotrophic nutrition in plants. We all know that green plants make their own food. How the green plants make their own food? Through the process of photosynthesis. We all know that. Okay, now in our earlier classes we have learned a definition. We know a definition of photosynthesis, that green plants make their own food in presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. This process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, but where is actually the photosynthesis occurs? Okay students, in the next video I will tell you in detail about the photosynthesis. Okay, thank you.